everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's been a very busy day. We have been out on the river already bright and early this morning. Didn't get a chance to do an intro video. We had to take a group over today. They are doing some bird watching over at the island today. Super excited to have that group with us today. And so they're over at the island exploring. Got a lot of things going on the island. We got campers over there. We're cleaning up and so much more. So I'm having to pick up some folks to come help us today. And so we're looking forward to that. See you soon.
Cranes, sandhill cranes, which we get in the winter time, they have their necks out long and they travel in big flocks, and it sounds really interesting and cool. When I first hear a sandhill crane for the first time in around November, it just sounds like little trumpets coming from the sky. It's amazing. But when they fly, their necks are out straight versus the egrets and herons that have curved necks. Their necks are curved when they fly. They look like giant pterodactyls. We were out with a group of kids who weren't as common with some of the, they didn't go out in nature much, but we were in a little creek and a great blue heron flew overhead, right over our heads. Cool. We were like, pterodactyl!
Yeah, that's what my mom was telling me. There aren't that many of them.
You come across a lot of owls?
Not on the island.
I mean, it's kind of chilly, so I'm like, maybe we won't.
I got sunburned last Sunday.
Oh, sunburn definitely, but I don't know about mosquitoes. They are not dead.
There's a lot more bluebirds out there, like blue jays. That's a better name, blue jay. Great gray hair.
Yeah, I go by Jay instead of John for short. My name's John. That's my mom.
Just maybe what it sounds.
Well, we've got our bird watching crew aboard with us here, hanging out here, enjoying the evening, heading back in. I hope you guys had a great time today.
It was so great. Thank you again so much.
Awesome. After a long day on the island, it may be 9 o'clock at night, but looky there. I got hay in the shed.